to my channel. I'm going to show you how to frost a cake with buttercream with smooth sides and clean edges. After you've crumb coat your cake, you start by piping your cake with buttercream layer by layer. Please click the like and subscribe button. Using an offset spatula, you spread and smoothen your buttercream, filling in all the gaps and spaces. Next, you need your bench scraper. You hold it to the side of the cake, then turn the turntable towards you with the other hand, scraping the bench scraper around the cake, removing any excesses and repeating the process. You will notice some indents and gap. Fill it in with your offset spatula and continue scraping till you get a smooth finish on the side. It's important to wipe off excess buttercream from your bench scraper anytime you're smoothing your cake. Once you've mastered this, you can design different types of cake that you like. Now for the top of the cake, I use my offset spatula going from outside to the middle of the cake, and I repeat the process till I am satisfied with my results. And there it is, ready to decorate. Thank you for watching.